access its contacts.
Phone order granted.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Alfredo Castro. Occupied dwelling. I find.
Wait till you see this clown. Sovereign citizen clown.
Violation of.
Here you go. Watch this shit.
Hang on 1 second. Okay. Mr. Gant, you're charged with resisting an officer with violence, $1,000 bond, battery on a law enforcement officer, $1,000 bond, resisting without violence, $100 bond, and battery on a law enforcement officer, $1,000 bond, no contact with the alleged victim, find probable cause, all counts.
Well, Judge, do I get to respond, sir?
No, sir, because anything you say here can be used against you. You don't want to make any statement. Kemar Hinkson.
Sir, you can't stop me from defending myself and speaking, sir, right?
Sir, let me explain something to you. This is not a trial. Sir, this is not a trial.
Sir!
I cannot, all I'm
Pissing
here
off
to
the
do
old
today is determine whether there's probable cause for an arrest. If there's probable cause for arrest, then I set the bond.
Here comes the sovereign
or
spiel.
other terms of release. Okay. Now, sir, you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you if you say something that is detrimental to your case. Do you understand that?
I comprehend that totally, sir.
Okay, and knowing that and understanding that, and understanding that you have...
I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I comprehend it. Okay.
Knowing that and comprehending it, and knowing that you have a right to have an attorney, okay? And knowing that if you speak or say anything, it can be used against you. Do you still want to say something?
I'm aware of that, sir. Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I've sent 2 affidavits to the sheriff of Broward County and Dade County over a year ago regarding my status. I'm kind of famous. I'm Section 2.
Kind of famous, y'all.
To be the trustee of my rights. I'm a private man of that status. I'm the authorized administrator of this account.
You're a private dick.
How you got that all capital name on that docket was because I was tased and beaten because I didn't answer a question.
Ooh.
That was material. Because when I was stopped, I said, do I have passengers?
I was teased and beaten by the nuns in Catholic school because I didn't answer a question.
The officer didn't like that answer.
Woo!
Show me the license, show me the license. If I'm not operating under a license, I'm not going to show you a license. And that's fucking my right. And I have the right of locomotion to move.
Locomotion.
So, as we all know, a driver's license is to do commerce. So if I'm not engaged in commerce, then you can't compel me to get. So that's actually an act of conversion to do that. So like I said, how you got the license is because they took me out of the car physically, put me on the ground, tased me, and then picked up my license. So I never presented myself as such. So just so that we're clear on that.
Anything else, sir?
Okay. So then to go to the elements to the elements. Everyone thinks it's funny, but there has to be elements of the charge. So that would be that I committed
Elements of the crime.
There's an affidavit by the injured party, or by a magistrate. None of those things happen. So now we have to go to the administrative side. That would be me actually acting under the license, which I was not. So it doesn't apply to me because I'm not doing commerce on a road. I'm a private person, my personal property, which I have a loan of ownership to, and which I've informed the court of more than once, and I have the certified records of it to Scott Israel and to, I can't remember the name of the Dade County Sheriff, because I act lawfully, sir, and I did that prior and beforehand, and it's notarized and stamped under the penalty of perjury. So I have nothing to hide because I'm telling the truth, and I've told the court as such, and those are the 2 highest levels.
You're going to jail, motherfucker. Going to jail!
Sir, file your appropriate motion with the court, set it for hearing, and you will be heard. Thank you. Kemar Hinkson.
And that's what you call a dickhead. Guys, thank you.